In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new store or enhancing an existing one, integrating PayPal on your Squarespace site is a great way to offer convenient payment options for your customers. It's simple and straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through each step so you can get everything set up quickly and efficiently. First, let's start by heading over to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings option. This is your gateway to all the customization options that Squarespace offers. Don't worry, it's easy to find, usually nestled in the main navigation menu of your website administrative tools. Once you're in the settings area, you'll want to find the section labeled Selling. Squarespace offers a user-friendly interface, and this section is dedicated to all things commerce-related. It's where you can manage your products, orders, and most importantly for our purposes today, your payment options. Next, click on Payments. This will bring up the different methods you can offer your customers for transactions. With digital commerce continually expanding, having multiple payment processors can enhance your business by providing flexibility and confidence to your shoppers. Now, you'll see an option labeled Highlight on this page. By selecting this, you are focusing on the various payment integrations Squarespace supports, including PayPal. The interface is quite intuitive, and from here you can connect your PayPal account to your website. As you proceed, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to enter your PayPal details and authorize the connection between your PayPal account and your Squarespace store. This process ensures a secure integration, allowing you to accept payments safely and efficiently. Keep your login information handy as you'll be prompted to input it for verification. And that's it! You've successfully integrated PayPal into your Squarespace site. Remember, offering versatile payment options can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience, potentially increasing the likelihood of completed sales. Be sure you test the integration by running a small transaction to confirm everything is working smoothly. And there you have it, your Squarespace store now supports PayPal, offering your customers more ways to pay and thereby enhancing your business's reach and reliability. If you run into any issues or need further customization, don't hesitate to consult Squarespace's online support documentation or reach out to their support team who are always ready to assist. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling on Squarespace.